coronavirus, am I right? It's not funny, Deborah. It is not funny to joke about diseases. Gizmo, you're ruining my scary scene with your freaking coughing, man. Okay, I'm gonna put this knife away before someone gets hurt. You feel me? Oh my god, my neck flaps. Excuse me. Ready to get some ink, Sam? Oh, my nose itches. Oh my god. Okay, I was just scratching my nose. I wasn't picking it, I swear. Your girl hasn't been showering much lately. Spilling water everywhere. Lovely. I've apparently got a man-sized face. Excuse me, I can't see. I'm blinded by the light. Why waste perfectly good perfume on Gizmo, who's literally just going to throw up in my bed either way? You know what I mean? This is literally as dull as watching paint dry. It is literally 3 a.m. and I have the energy of 1,000 suns. At 2 a.m. I'm like, fuck, I'm ready to go, bitch. I'm ready to go. Quarantine, am I right, ladies? There is no time. It is all a figment of our imagination. Here we motherfreaking are. Okay, well, we shall see, my dear. Gizmo, you're making a lot of noise there, honey. Hey, pal. Hey, guy. Gizmo, honestly. You're making a lot of noise, pal. Goofy goose. Oh my god, what a freaking weirdo. Excuse me. I'm speaking my mind, that's for sure. No tea, no shade. Ooh, all tea, all shade. Vesture spurst to do, am I right, ladies? Damn, oh my god. Ooh, whoa. Smee? Smee! Smee! It don't make no stinking sense to me, man. And I set a timer for 1 minute, and apparently this bitch thought I said 1 hour. And I was like, oh my god, this bitch set a timer for an hour? Are you kidding me? Bitch, I didn't hear shit. I didn't hear shit. I'm definitely gonna have to cut this out, so cut. You need to cut it. I don't need to be called Deb. You can just call me bruh. This is a very nice spa day, I must say. Oh my god, it is getting so hot in here though. Woo! Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god, I look like I have a... Okay, I don't have a double chin. Oh my god, I got scared. You know, do you know what I'm saying? But that's all, folks. Why did I do that ugly thing at the end? I'm so sorry. Ugh, good grief.